Have a Ford Doonan day.
Even though it's a big place to work, it feels more family than all the family businesses I've worked for in the past. Just coming in, you feel like you're part of it. Me personally, I've only been here a short time and I feel more at home than I've ever felt before in an air conditioning company. It's actually the first place I've worked that actually has some culture. So yeah, really enjoyable, from just office table tennis matches to out for a few drinks.
The admin girls are really helpful because the way they structure everything for us, they won't just stick you anywhere. They do take into account where you're based and live. They'll structure your furthest job away from that, and then you gradually will move closer to home. You're able to sort of structure your life around work rather than not knowing how long it's going to be till you get home and things like that, so it's a massive help. I live so far south that driving, I'll cover a fair bit of distance, so having that card, a fuel card, it saves me a lot. Things like tool allowances as well. This trade, tools are quite expensive that you do need. You need specialised tools. So them giving us money to purchase those tools are a massive factor. Yeah, so the training that Ford Doonan has supplied us has been really good. Every time a manufacturer brings out a new product, we're able to go and get knowledge on the product. But it's not just that as well, customer service and things like that. We've had training in how to speak with clients, making sure that you understand what their needs are and you're able to talk to them in a manner where you can address their needs. Being able to have that ability, it really did reassure me as well that I do have knowledge to fall back on, and I do have the tools that I can use now.
That is the great thing about Ford Doonan, is that whether it's a salesman needing a supervisor to a installer needing a salesman, there's always that connection there.
Ford Doonan was really loyal to me. Very early on they gave me a company car. They put a lot of trust in me to be able to bounce between technicians so I could learn as much as possible. And then it just grew from that. It was just the people I deal with daily. They're so friendly, the technicians here, just the knowledge that they were able to give me. So you don't really want to bounce around and go somewhere else when you have such a comfortable flow with the people that you work with. I've learned so much, developed myself personally. The company's been really good in times of when I've had stress in my life. They've been able to adapt to what I've needed. The reason I've stuck around for sort of the 8-9 years has definitely been that they've put into me enough that I really do think it's a privilege to give back.